Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading again. We're demonstrating for you right now. This is a Rotaval airlock, and as you can see, all stainless steel construction. Flanges are 11-inch OD on each end, the mounting flanges. They are most likely a metric, as this is a British-made unit. As you can see, it's designed for food-grade service, all high-polished stainless steel construction. It's driven by a Brook Crompton half-horsepower motor. This motor is 443 phase only. However, it is a standard 143 TC frame. You can easily change that. The operating speed's about 15 RPM, as you can see right there. The unit is only been tested as part of a shifting system. Has a gear reducer here, 114:1 ratio, which gives you your 15 after your 15 RPM at the motor. It is explosion proof, as you can see here. Class 1, Class 2 rating. We're going to provide some additional manufacturer's information as soon as we have it. Shaft seals on both ends, and this may be an air purge seal for use or not use. We're going to replace, you'll see there should be 2 slides, and one has been broken. It's a standard metric shaft. We're going to replace that too. You see it right there. Of course, the drive end slides out for cleaning on those 2 rails. We do have others like this in our stock, so we hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.